Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're our Simple Adventures, and we are at the
Japanese Friendship Garden.
Japanese Friendship Garden. Hopefully they let us film with the GoPro. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, here we are. Japanese Friendship Garden. Beautiful. Right here in downtown Phoenix. Condos up there. This is a kind of a partnership between what city in Japan is it?
Oh God.
Himeji or Namija? I'll put it right here. It's Phoenix's sister city, so they kind of there's a partnership putting this together. This is 3.5 acres. Got a koi pond out here, and
see the koi.
Yeah, so should we walk around?
Yep.
Beautiful, perfect day in Phoenix. This thing's supposed to be a high of 68 degrees today. This is why we love it here. Hardly a rainy day. Nice condos, huh? Their policy on filming here is a little bit unclear, so they might tell us to stop anytime now. Although it says you can't do it for commercial purposes, you know, like for a photo shoot or get some ducks taking their afternoon nap. Yeah, some of these places, the photography rules are a little bit unclear, like the Mystery Castle. First she says we can't, and then she says I can, but not a full length deal. So, but I asked them, and I'm just gonna quit asking, and if they tell me to stop, I'll stop, of course. So how you doing?
Doing good.
Good. Can tell you hardly even have much of a limp anymore.
No, not unless I get tired.
Yeah.
No,
A little waterfall there. What a beautiful setting. Beautiful. What's this? Oh, okay, there's the name of the town. Himeji, Japan. This was 1990. I wonder what Phoenix's contribution to Himeji is.
Yeah, I don't know. That'll be interesting. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna look it up and I'll put it right here if I find anything. This guy coming here is gonna look.
The koi pond is bigger than I thought. I thought it was going to be a smaller pond.
Oh, we got a stream coming through here. It's beautiful. An oasis in the desert. I think I could fall asleep to that. Staff and tours. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see between the trees there. Just like a dirty vacant lot. I got this right next to it. Good. Just have the sun. That's probably 15 stories, isn't it?
Probably.
15 stories? Maybe a little. I don't feel like counting it. Yeah, thank you to those that took that survey about if you prefer museums or outdoor stuff. We're still going to do both, but most of you chose outdoor stuff, so here we are. We got some smoochers, got some smooching going on. The mare's tree. Apparently that's the mare's tree. I guess the two mayors planted it. Oh yeah. Big koi fish. There's some kind of artwork over there too. Oh, it's a playground. There's a bunch of fish. Some ducks. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and well, subscribe. And then hit that notification bell so you can see when we publish videos. You're going to see a little bit of everything on this channel. All different parts of the country once we get back on the road here. Stay to the end of this too, because we're gonna do a rock garden in North Phoenix. Won't be as nice as this. Hi. Yeah, I'd like to visit Japan sometime. Okay, you guys, keep watching. We're headed to a rock garden now. Okay, here's the playground that's just right outside the Japanese friendship garden here. Kind of neat. Got a coyote. There's a rabbit over there. And that apparently is an owl. But let's see, what is it, a slide or something? Oh yeah. I guess you just climb it. No slide. Kind of interesting. Thought we'd show you. By the way, it was $10 a piece to get into the friendship garden if you purchase online. Okay, we're at the rock garden. It looks like a private residence, and there's a lady sitting out, so I have to ask her if we can film. How you doing? Yeah, she went in. I don't know if she'll walk up there or not. Okay, yeah, I don't really want to walk up there, but this is kind of this rock art. Back up there. Yeah, like I said, there was a lady sitting out there just right when we just drove past here. Interesting. I'm guessing it's okay for people to walk in, but I'm yeah, it looks like there's got some lights in some of these houses. light bulb in there. Lights up there. Huh. Never heard of this place till today. You can. I'm hoping she'll look out the window and wave us in. All kinds of stuff back there. Okay, what's the history?
Okay, the history is, let's see, there's a man, he was 65 years old and retired. I think his name was Cleveland, I had it on here. Let's see.
Grover Cleveland?
Grover Cleveland Thompson was the man's name. And he was 65 years old and retired. And he moved here to the sunny slope area and started creating this rock garden. And it was a takeoff from the one that's in Oregon. He saw that one in Oregon and really liked it and decided that he would do one here. And he died in 1978. And then someone else bought the house and takes care of the rock garden to this day. And that's pretty much just a simple version of it.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this week. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed those two. Stuff you don't see all the time.
Yeah, it's too bad we couldn't get into the rock garden. I mean, you can see it pretty clearly, but still, but you need to get in there.
Yeah. Anyway, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell. We love you guys. Love each and every one of you. Yeah. Well, we'll see you
Our next adventure.
in a few days. Bye-bye. Almost every night. Different, but beautiful. Praise God.